Hi and welcome to another video about Renault GRAND SCENIC 3. In part 1 we have replaced side, brake and direction indicator lights, and now we'll take a look how to change fog light and reverse light. They're located way down on a bumper and you'll have to reach from under the car. On the right side is a reverse light, so let's take that one. Simply turn it to the left and the bulb can be taken out. Now you can press the bulb gently and turn it for about a quarter before pulling it out. You can find the bulb type in the description. If you need to take the whole light unit out, you'll need a 7mm wrench to undo a single screw from below the light. Remove the bulb just like before and you can push the unit from the bumper. For the fog light on the left side of the bumper, the process is exactly the same, and that is it. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and leave a comment if there is anything else you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.